Hello, my name is Kyla Sutton, and I will be completing Module Two's lab. In the lab today, we will be assessing AT tools. So for the first part of the lab, we will be reading a document using the build to text speech feature. Then we'll be annotating PDF documents using a Kami extension app, and then we're going to create a screenshot utilizing Max features. So a quick disclaimer about the document that I'll be utilizing. It's an example case note, however, it is fictional and the characters are not real. So let's get started. Highlight the text and then you're going to press play and it will go ahead and read the text for you.
Writing prompt: you are assigned to work with Cindy. At the plan of service meeting, her guardian states that he would like to be the paid provider to work with Cindy. Having the guardian or other authorized representatives is prohibited in the Community First Choice program. How would you explain this to the guardian and other interested parties? Please document your plan of service meeting and include the conversation with the guardian and the outcome from that meeting. Plan of service. Client Cindy, Support Planner. Kayla Sutton. Case note, December 23, 2020. Cindy and her guardian met with the support planner Kayla Sutton for an hour to discuss Cindy's plan of service. The support planner Kayla Sutton asked Cindy various questions regarding her day-to-day activities. Cindy was very receptive to the questions and provided clear responses to the support planner Kayla Sutton. After speaking with Cindy for 30 minutes, Cindy's guardian inquired about becoming Cindy's paid provider. The support planner Kayla Sutton clarified for Cindy's guardian that being Cindy's paid provider is prohibited in the Community First Choice program, along with authorized representatives. Although the support planner thoroughly explained why Cindy's guardian cannot be the paid provider, Cindy's guardian still insisted and requested additional information regarding the policy on why paid providers and authorized representatives are prohibited in the Community First Choice program. The support planner Kayla Sutton provided Cindy's guardian with a Community First Choice booklet for their reference and review. The support planner Kayla Sutton scheduled an appointment with Cindy and her guardian for the following week to discuss the next steps for implementation of the plan of service for Cindy.
All right. So again, it is fictional. It's not a real scenario that has occurred. Now, let's get into the next portion of the lab, which is for us to annotate a document. So the document that I used for an example was the spelling list that I created for one of the assignments. So now, a way that we can annotate it, let's say for an example, students are confused with how they should utilize this activity. So I can write in the text your answer and use the green text box. Now, I can also say these terms are used for the options below. So like you can create notes for your students and provide feedback as well with this app, which is great. All right. So now let's get out of this. Or actually, we could stay on this app and then we can create our screenshot. So we're going to screenshot this whole screen, right? So I'm going to press Command Shift and 5. And you see how you can either have it sectioned off or there's options down here that says capture the entire screen, capture the selected window, or capture the selected portion. So what we're going to do is we're going to capture the entire screen. Okay? And we're going to press, well, we have options, and we're going to save it to our desktop, okay? So without further ado, we're going to press the right pointer button. And there we go. There's our screenshot right there. So let's see if it's saved to the desktop. Oh, it's right there. So we're going to copy and go down here and press paste. And look, there you have it. We have our screenshot. So this concludes our lab. Thank you for joining in with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lab. All right, bye-bye.